Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some smart LED light strips. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're reviewing some LED strip lights from the company NiteBird. And let me just say that these LED lights have so many features, such as it's being compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It has music synchronization. There's 16 million potential colors that you can produce with this LED strip lights. And the one that we have here is actually, 32 feet long. So if you have a long area and distance that you want to cover, you guys can do so with these LED strip lights. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about these LED lights, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that greatly informs me and keeps me updated. If you guys are enjoying this tech series, follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then also our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with us, or if you guys need any photo assistance, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys want to check out this product information and also the link to purchase will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, and also to get more information about this product and also how to set it up and all that kind of fun stuff. What we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging of this LED light is fairly simple. As I spin it around, you guys can see there's not wholly, there's a lot of specifications on the side actually of this box. So what I want to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. But as you guys can see, we just have the company's name, which is NiteBird, on the top. We have a picture representation of the LED lights, and it's a smart LED strip light. It's 32.8 feet long. It has 16 million colors that it could potentially produce. There's music mode, and it's also voice control. Works with Amazon Alexa, works with Google Assistant, and it's obviously Wi-Fi. On the back, we have more specifications and details. So what I want to do is basically just proceed to unbox this LED lights. So let me just pull this tab back. We do get two wheels of LED lights, and these are waterproof. So let me just pull out all the accessories, and it looks like actually you get included with two adapters. So technically they made it so that you can actually just use one in a given area. Interesting. Okay, I was not expecting that. We do get our user manual, which I do recommend that you guys read. We also got some little, brackets and little tape pieces that you guys can use to actually attach this onto your wall and keep it on the wall. So I like when companies provide these little accessories. And it looks like we do get two of everything. So we got two adapters. These are DC adapters that you guys can use and utilize to actually give power to this LED strip lights. Looks like we get two Wi-Fi receiver boxes. Let's open up one of these LED strip lights. These LED strip lights are pretty big. Considering that they are waterproof, they do take up a lot more space than if they weren't waterproof. And they do have 3M tape on the back side of them, so you guys can easily, attach this onto your wall, your ceiling, or whatever you want to put these LED lights. Okay, so what I just did was unravel it, and I just checked. So what they did is you can't actually connect another strip lights to an end of this unless if you have an adapter. I've actually have extended LED lights like that before, where all I needed to do was put an adapter at the end and I was able to extend it. So if you have an adapter, you can actually extend this to, as long as you want. All that's left to do is, kind of just move on to the testing and demonstration portion. We're going to open up the application and then just, basically show off these LED lights. In in our video, we're only going to be testing out one in the review, but what I'm going to do is actually unwrap this DC cable and basically plug it into our power source. In our case, I'm going to be plugging this into an extension cable so that, you know, the cable is long enough to fit on the table. And then what you need to do is take this DC port and plug it into one of the back of one of these Wi-Fi receiver boxes. So what I'm going to do is plug it in right here, just like that. And now all that's left to do is we're going to take one of these LED lights, and I'm just going to basically plug it into the back of this one. And make sure that you put the connecting pieces in the right angle. And I think it's blinking because it's letting me know that it needs to sync up with the application. So I guess it's forcing me to go straight into the application. So what I'm going to do is actually go on my phone and basically connect to these LED lights. So right now you guys should be able to see my phone screen, and we're going to open up the Gosund app. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it, or Gosund app. So let me open it up, and obviously if it's your first time setting up this application, it's going to ask you to register, or if you have an existing account, you could just sign in. Okay, so I currently went through the registration process, and it took me to the home page of this LED lights menu. So I'm going to click on cancel. It says auto start reminder. We're not going to do that. We're going to click on add device, and we're going to add these LED lights. So let me click on lighting, and then we're going to go to strip lights. I think it's just Wi-Fi, so I'm going to click on that. Power on. Okay, so the light is blinking fast. Okay, power on. Turn on and off. So basically what I need to do is basically unplug, plug, unplug, plug, unplug, plug until it starts flashing. So let me do that real quick. And you guys can see now it's blinking fast, you know? So now we can confirm that the indicator is rapidly blinking. And now it's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi credentials, so just put in your Wi-Fi password to continue on. And now you guys can see it is connecting to this LED strip lights. It's going to take some time. It's going to, you know, find the device. It's going to register the device to a smart cloud and then initialize the device. So let's just wait until it's done with the connection process. And you guys can see it has successfully connected to the application. Now we can click on done. You can rename it, but in our case, I'm not going to rename it or do anything like that. So I think we are good to go, and you guys can see right now the color option is blue. But before we actually manipulate all the phone stuff, I want to show you guys a nice feature about this Wi-Fi box. There is a button in the middle, and you guys can click it, and you guys can change the color of the LED lights. You guys can see you don't have to use your phone to do so, and it's a nice feature that they implemented with this LED light. So, you know, we're back to basically where we started, and we just cycled through all the different colors. So right now we're at blue. So if I go in and click on this right now, it's going to basically turn off the LED lights. As you guys can see, it turns it off. Press to turn on, turns back on. There we go, just turned it back off again. But you guys can see I can go in and turn it on and off at any given time. We can go in and customize and change all the colors, so I can go around the color wheel and pick all sorts of various colors that I, you know, want to manipulate and change. So you guys can see we got like an orange now, we got a red, we got a pink, we got a magenta, violet. And then the great thing is I can increase the brightness and also decrease the brightness. So right now, if I want the LED lights to go dim, it's taking a while to load, but you guys can see I can increase and decrease the brightness is what I'm trying to say. You can also do the same thing with saturation. So the less saturated you are, basically the more white the light is. So that's really cool. You can go in and select various different scenes. And what I'm going to do is actually turn off my lights to show you guys this last part of the video. But like I was saying, those various scenes that you can switch it on to. So like this one is a night mode. You guys can see it just has a nice kind of yellowish glow to it. We got reading, which is just pure white light, which looks really nice. We got party mode. And I'm pretty sure party mode, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure it does cycle through, but it looks like it's just staying consistent with one color. We got leisure. You know, it's just, you know, if you want to chillax, kind of relax a little bit. We got soft, and I'm pretty sure you can pick a color and it's just going to fade in and fade out. So you guys can see now it's fading out and it's going to fade back in. And you guys can go in and customize all these different scenes to your desired, whatever you want. You can pick the colors. You can also pick the speed to some of these scenes. We got rainbow. Rainbow's going to, I'm pretty sure, jump through all the different colors. So we got red, we got green, and now we got blue, and we got shine. And I'm pretty sure shine is similar, but it looks like it's a little bit different. So we got red, Okay, it looks like it just flashes on and off. Really interesting. And we got gorgeous, and gorgeous kind of fades in and out, and you guys can see how intensely fast this is right now. So if I wanted to, I can go into settings and decrease the speed. So let's say I want 50%, and now you guys can see it's a lot more slowed down. Or if I want 80%. For some reason it looks like the speed's like reversed. Interesting, I don't know. But you guys can see I can decrease, I can manipulate all these different scenes to my desired liking. It doesn't have to be what the it came with, so I can go in and change all of that. There's also music synchronization mode. There's a microphone on the receiver box, and as I'm talking right now, you guys can see it is changing as I'm speaking to this microphone. So let me play this song to show you guys the music synchronization real quick. But you guys can see the music synchronization is pretty good with this LED strip lights. And it's syncing up for the most part. So I think you guys get the idea, but the music synchronization is doing a fantastic job. Even as I'm talking right now, you guys can see it's syncing up with my voice really well. This is the microphone right here, so the closest you can get whatever audio playing off of to this receiver box, the greater the music synchronization is going to be with these LED lights. So let me go back out. You can even set up schedules and stuff, so if you guys want to set up timers for this to turn on at, like, let's say 5 p.m. every night. I don't know why you would turn this on at 5 p.m. Let's pick a more realistic time, 11 p.m. at night. You guys can do so with setting up timers. All you gotta do is click on the add button, and you can add the times that you want this to switch on and off, and it can do it automatically for you. So that's the nice thing about this. So there's a lot of benefits to using this NiteBird LED strip lights. But right now what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks, and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about these LED strip lights from the company NiteBird? Well, honestly, these lights, they're really budget friendly too. If you're looking for lights that you can do, customization, you can do various different scenes, you can do music synchronization, you can connect it with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistants, you guys can check it out, these LED lights, to see if these fit your needs. I personally have no issues with them. I like how with the 32 feet model, it's basically you're getting 2 for 1. So that's kind of cool that they included that. I wasn't expecting that when I opened up this package, but I really like how, if I wanted to, I can now set up the second one and have 2 separate LED strip lights in separate areas. I really do like that. Good on you, NiteBird, for doing that. I was not expecting that, so I'm really appreciative that they did that. And it's also waterproof, so you guys can use it outside. It has a 3M tape on the back, so you guys can tape it on the wall or put it on your ceiling or wherever you want to put it at. So there's a lot of features and little accessories that they included, such as these little brackets that you guys can utilize and use to actually put this on like your ceiling and on your wall, like I was just mentioning. But I'm really impressed with the output of these LED lights considering their price. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. If you guys need to contact me for any assistance or your company wanting to work with us, that is the email address that you guys can contact me with. And then also the product information and also the link to purchase this LED strip lights will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information about these LED lights. But right now, we're all going to conclude this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.